Mom, can I please have a 3DS? No, you're still grounded and you don't deserve a 3DS. But Mom, Billy, I said no. It's not happening. Go back to your room. Well, maybe I can sneak to GameStop to get myself a 3DS and some 3DS games. I got my 3DS. The games I got are Super Mario 3D Land, Super Mario Bros. 2, and Animal Crossing New Leaf. Now I will play with my 3DS. Hey Billy, what are you up to? Why do you have a 3DS even after I said no? I don't have it. Yes, you do. You're not supposed to be having a 3DS while grounded. Where did you get the 3DS and the games from? I got them from GameStop. Go straight to bed while I return everything back to GameStop. You're grounded for 20 months.